Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training. Just want to talk a little bit today about the mindset for cold calling, for prospecting. You know, prospecting isn't about hours, it's about years. In the beginning, when you start prospecting and you're doing 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day, the rest of the world is out there working an 8-hour day. So when I started doing it, I would call from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., and that sounds crazy, but I did that until I couldn't. And the reason I couldn't is because I was booked. Every 2:30 p.m. appointment was booked, every 7 p.m. listing appointment was booked, and then I couldn't be on the phone that many hours. So years from now, think 3 years in the future, you're going to have a bunch of people calling you because you were leaving messages, calling them, having conversations, and your job gets a lot easier. So 3 years from now, if they're not calling you, you're gonna wish you spent all day on the phone prospecting. So that's what I recommend you do now. So if you have any questions about that, you're interested in coaching or training, go to fearlessagent.com and let us turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.